What is going on, guys? The Car Addict back at it again with another video. Today I'm just gonna do another quick unboxing vid of a new fitted cap that I caught from City Jeans. Shout out City Jeans New York. Let's go ahead and get started. Open it up. I've been waiting for this for a few days actually, and let's see, finally it is here. Oh my god, guys. First thing, my favorite part, that hot pink underbelly of the brim, as you can see. Ooh, another New York Yankees hat. There's just something about this two-letter logo about the Yankees that I love. And this is the Subway Series hat by J-Tips collab with City Jeans. Red, white, and blue Batman. And of course, the New Era. Take a look, guys. This was so fresh. I seen this online, just shopping around, as you guys mostly do actually. You know that you just be scrolling around the pages, and I came across this, and I knew I had to buy it, even though I just got this hat right here, which is also pretty dope. Yankees, count the rings. I love this right here, guys, especially with the hot pink. I like it because it's a little bit more subtle with the patches, unlike here. As you can see, there's patches all around the panels. We just got it on this right side panel here. Subway Series, as you can see, New York Yankees against the Mets in 2000. Let me know your thoughts, guys. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to check out my other vids about cars, and my other vid about this video on how to bend the brim of a cap just like I have it here, because I'm definitely not going to be rocking it with a flat brim like that. I have a video for that too. I will be bending the brim on this soon, but just wanted to share with you guys quickly. New Era, J-Tips, City Jeans collab, and the Car Addict out. Peace.